If you are about to buy a smart TV, a streaming stick, or upgrade your home theater setup right now, you need to freeze. Do not spend a single dollar on a streaming device until you listen to what I am about to tell you. Massive, highly confidential supply chain leaks and internal software code direct from Cupertino have just completely exposed Apple's ultimate living room weapon. The upcoming, next-generation Apple TV 4K is real, and it is going to completely change the rules of home entertainment forever. If you think you know what a streaming box can do, you are completely wrong. Apple is about to do something that everyone thought was completely unnecessary for a TV box. They are packing top-tier, console-level gaming power and advanced neural processing into a sleek aluminum chassis that sits silently under your television. That means zero lag, absolute dominance over rivals like Roku and Amazon Fire Stick, and a total shift in how we interact with our living room screens. The hardware inside this upcoming device is so advanced that it is making traditional smart TV interfaces and mid-range gaming consoles obsolete overnight. Let us start with the absolute crown jewel of these leaks, the processor. For years, streaming boxes have used cheap, low-power chips just to load apps and play video files. The current Apple TV 4K is already fast, but Apple is about to blow the roof off the entire industry. The leaked blueprints show that Apple is introducing a variation of their powerhouse A18 Pro silicon directly into the new Apple TV 4K. This is a generational leap. This chip features a massive desktop-class graphics processor and a specialized hardware-accelerated ray tracing engine. This means the new Apple TV 4K will not just stream movies. It will natively run AAA, console-level video games with realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections at a flawless 60 frames per second. It completely erases the line between a streaming media player and a dedicated gaming console. But Apple did not stop there. The biggest issue with modern 4K streaming isn't just the raw power. It is how compressed the video look when it travels across the internet. Dark scenes look blocky, and fast action looks blurry because streaming platforms compress the files to save bandwidth. The factory leaks reveal that Apple has engineered an on-chip, AI-driven video upscaling and reconstruction engine called Apple Reality Engine. This is a game changer. Using advanced machine learning, the Apple TV 4K will analyze compressed video streams in real time, pixel by pixel, and intelligently reconstruct missing data. If you are watching a dark, gritty movie or a highly compressed live sports broadcast, this chip will actively sharpen details, eliminate color banding, and deliver a true, uncompressed cinema-grade picture that looks closer to a physical 4K Blu-ray disc than a standard internet stream. And what is this massive new processing power delivering to your display? The leaks indicate native 8K video output capability at 60 frames per second, alongside advanced high dynamic range processing that adapts dynamically to your specific television's panel limitations. This means you get over 16 stops of dynamic range, deeper blacks, and blindingly bright highlights without ever washing out the image. Now, you might be asking yourself why anyone needs a massive A18 Pro chip just to watch Netflix or YouTube. If they just wanted to load apps, it would be overkill. But the supply chain leaks have uncovered Apple's biggest living room breakthrough yet. They are migrating the entire